Alright, guys, we're live.
Are you sure that's a camera?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's...
it is. It
You're
is.
retarded.
James, you're live. You can't say that stuff. Okay?
I can.
No.
Sam, I can't see your head. Stop.
Firstly, let's try the honey bun.
You don't need to see my head. It's food review. This is how we do on food review.
Woo! Food review.
Come on, James. Come on.
Woo! One of you took a shit in the towel. Don't push it in.
Freaking live streaming right now.
Get knocked down like the whole thing. I picked it up. I picked it all up. I don't know where it goes. Yeah.
Come on.
No.
What'd you do?
I
Hey,
know.
Mom.
She's down there.
Never mind.
What did you do?
I knocked down like the computer. Like all the stuff that thing that I was thinking. And then I threw it all back.
Oh,
Like food?
Guys, we're experiencing
Switch?
some
No.
some technical difficulties here.
yeah, hold on. Let's...
James, I got a knife. I've got a knife. James.
Oh, you have a
James.
knife?
James, I have a knife.
Hey,
Hello?
you're supposed to be watching for pizza.
Oh, yeah.
You forget?
Yeah.
well, they can watch.
That's gross.
Oh wait, you're already eating?
That's gross.
Which is this? What is it?
Bad?
It's
Oh, this one it is then.
No.
okay.
hold on,
That
this
one is chicken curry, and that one is cow tongue.
I don't want either of those.
Alright, I'm gonna try.
It's cow tongue. It's rewind time, everybody.
Smell kind of good.
So it's
We
not like
didn't
a
even bring
chip,
anything.
a chip I've had.
It's,
Oh, it smells like one of
Dude,
those.
it's a Frito. It's a Funyun.
Which one
No,
is
it
that?
smells like one of those
the cow tongue?
hamburger flavored chips.
That smells gross.
Put it down, put it down, please. I'm already
Deep
gonna...
throated, Jacob.
That's bad. That tastes good.
That one's chicken curry.
It tastes like chicken curry.
That's
it
not
just doesn't
good.
Taste good.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, now that I have no idea. Show the camera. Show the camera.
this is a honey bun.
Show the camera, James. Don't just open it.
It's ancient Japanese tradition.
This is a noodle, and we're gonna try the packet. We're gonna try
that's,
the...
that's disgusting.
What's wrong with it? It's just
What
a honey
is
bun.
this?
What is it?
I don't know.
Taste it. Taste the other side.
You're supposed to pour that stuff on it.
No, taste that.
It smells like ass.
Taste. Taste it.
I don't know.
It might be fish skin.
Probably. Yeah, that's fish skin.
I don't want to try this.
What?
What's
James.
the next item?
It tastes like fish. Yeah. Taste it. You can taste the
I'm not licking it. You all already like put your mouths on it.
Yeah, the middle's fine.
It's a pizza. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, Jacob, your stomach is awfully intimidating.
I'm awfully intimidating. Wow.
Why is
Is that
all of this
mine?
bad? It just tastes bad. What are you just eating a honey bun?
That's ramen. This is ramen.
Yeah, it tastes bad.
Yeah, it's like little ramen snacks, so people can like eat ramen.
What is this? What is
Without-
this? What is this? What is this?
It's probably corn potage.
That ramen stuff's not bad. Or not.
I can't read Japanese. We should have had a. Doesn't your girlfriend read Japanese? What are you doing?
Try the ramen stuff, dude.
Have you looked? Have you looked? No, give me
No,
one
I
that you
haven't looked
touched.
it. I
Give me one
haven't.
that you touched.
No, I.
Yeah, I like this.
Touch. Just licked it!
Alright.
Try the ramen.
Get stream
Here.
sniped. Get stream sniped.
Go to sleep.
Oh.
What did you do?
I poured some on the ground. Sorry.
No,
It's
pick it
so
up.
good. Try it. It's actually really good.
Is it?
Go.
Is it?
It's pretty good. It's not bad.
Hey, Jacob, can you help me pick up your nest?
I like it. I can't see. I'm gonna try the cow tongue again.
No, stop.
What's this? How is this good?
I don't know. Try it. James licked all of it. I don't know what that was.
That?
Yeah.
That's good.
No, I just gagged. Oh. Hey guys.
Sam,
This tastes kind of familiar, but I don't like it.
Hey,
Oh yeah, this guys.
what? Oh yeah. Where's the the cheese?
Oh.
Oh wow, guys, it's still in Bandy.
Oh, pizza.
Just talk to the camera and say whatever you want.
Yeah, I'm taking
you're
over.
walking here.
Hello. Listen. My name is Samuel Colagrasso. I have been taken hostage by James Richards, aka Mark IV. I need help. Please. Also, if you see Mark IV in public, do this. Either that or do it to him. Grab his wrists. He'll love it. Now, everybody, let's get right into let's see. What does James have on his computer? Let's check his search history, everybody.
This is what are you doing?
Checking your search history.
Why did you close out of it?
I
Get
didn't.
out of my chair! Get out of my chair! Get out of my chair!
I like it. I like your chair. Wow, pizza time.
Pizza.
Alright, next up for the taste test is
James,
Papa John.
You were supposed to bring that sausage pizza up here for Brittany to eat.
Hmm.
Did you forget? Bring her some sausage pizza. No,
Can you get
no,
a
you
vacuum
can-
cleaner?
Why? There's one
You
hanging
stole
up.
the thing.
Look, there's one hanging up in the laundry room.
Okay, next is pizza. Subscribe to PewDiePie.
Is that my pizza? Oh. Alright, ask her. What did they get here? Oh.
Hey, Sam!
Here. Guys, come on now. Shit.
Okay. Mom.
Sarah.
What happened?
He's been attacking me with that thing.
Are we still live?
Yeah. Hold on. Let me fix this.
Hey guys, welcome to the pizza stream.
Hey guys, can you get
Right
on my
in the
seat?
microphone.
I can just talk.
There's someone on my foot right there.
No, don't touch my microphone.
Yeah, don't touch this microphone, Jacob. But I'll touch your
Mm.
microphone.
Because I hate them. You spill stuff everywhere. Why aren't you cleaning this up, Jacob?
You didn't give me the thing. Some pretty good pizza.
Don't. Ah. Get out of my chair.
Don't touch me there, James.
James,
You can
you're
sit
so
on my bed.
abusive. James, your girlfriend should leave.
Guys, don't get pizza on his white comforter, please.
Alright.
You need to throw this away. It's all trash. It's all garbage.
There's not a bag in there.
Hey guys.
Oh my god.
Shit now.
Eating the most disgusting way you possibly can.
Can you chew with your mouth closed? Is this what you've been doing the whole time?
For your audience.
Dude, my audience appreciates you, Jacob. Hey, can you hand me that vacuum
What if your
cleaner?
girlfriend was watching the stream?
Hand me my vacuum cleaner. Hand me the vacuum. Hand me the vacuum.
Hand him the vacuum.
No, Sam. Sam, please.
That's the real you.
Okay, give me the vacuum.
Is that James? That's James.
No, it's not.
He's like, if you just vacuum put it. Don't get pizza on his plate, please.
What about garlic sauce?
Hey, do you all like potato knishes?
Wow, guys, this is cool. How many people are watching this? If you are,
Zero.
what's wrong with you? No.
Because you're dumb, James. No one likes you.
I scared them away.
God, man. I love me some. Hey, stop chewing out loud. I'm gonna
Can we do a Ryan Mace nipple review?
Oh, dude, your sister commented. Sam, stop. Sam is cringe.
Hey, Ella, how about you stop? How about
Yep.
your cringe?
Back up.
No, don't run into me.
Don't do it, mom. You're a mom, Sam. You're just a mom.
pizza.
By the way, it's working perfectly fine on my phone.
James, last year's party was better.
Yeah, because of Ryan Mace.
Who the fuck shat in the toilet?
Oh my god.
Disgusting! Bye, by the way.
Ah,
Bye.
you're
We're
funny.
leaving.
Alright, later.
Bye, Windy.
Well, everyone's already leaving.
I know, it's just gonna be us boys.
Yeah, Creek Boys.
Gamers!
Party.
We're gonna have a gamer party without you. I bet you feel left out.
Yeah, we're gonna do a Ryan Mace nipple review.
Yeah.
Hey, dude, look at this. Look at this great game right here.
Playing Roblox.
Oh yeah, they can't see me playing Roblox. Hold on. Alright, now they can see me playing
Now it's a Roblox stream.
Stop. Stop.
Oh, you should do Royale High. No, down one. Royale High. What's wrong with you?
Me, big boy.
Dude, this is literally just the PewDiePie game.
Me, big boy.
This is
Me,
just
me,
Tuber
big
Simulator.
Guys, I'm James's best friend.
Hello. Hey guys, just in case
Wow,
you didn't-
James
this
is the
is
real
James.
Slim Shady.
This is James, just
Hey,
Get good
this is-
food action.
Hey, put the camera on me. 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 Listen. Okay? Listen up. Epic gamers. We
This
need
is my
to
sauce.
rise up.
This is my sauce.
Hey, look at that, guys.
Wow, guava
Yeah.
juice,
Here.
everybody.
James,
Guava juice is the best YouTuber.
I'll hold it up so that they can see the game. Here.
I love it when guava juice just plays with slime in a bathtub for 10 hours.
I love when I play the slime in the bathtub for 10 hours.
I love it when Ryan Mace plays.
Hey, do you want to have an interview,
I wanna
Sam?
play with Ryan.
I'm gonna interview Sam, guys. Sam, come here.
Yeah, what?
So why's your channel so bad?
Because you're gay.
Hi, I'm Sam. I am gay.
Yeah, Sam's gay.
Yeah, you're gay. Sam.
Everyone make fun of Samuel Colagrosso's channel.
Everyone make fun of Samuel Colagrosso's channel. More pizza action, please.
Give me the camera. Let me see it.
No, stop touching the
Can I
camera.
somehow take my boot up here?
You take your Buddha up here?
Where was it?
Let's all sit and play Roblox.
Boom whackers. Boom whackers.
Hey, do you guys want to practice some boom whackers?
Boom whackers.
Hey, do you guys want to touch butt cheeks?
Hey, do you guys want to touch tips?
Let's do it, Sam. Come on. I spilled my butter.
No.
None of it got None of it got
He's whacking me. Guys, I just got boom whacked by James.
It's only going for your ass.
Guys, you should unsubscribe to James. He's a rapist.
Yeah.
Oh.
He's just like Tobuscus.
He rapes babies.
Just like
Whoa.
Tobuscus.
Whoa. Hey, do you want a stick?
Yeah.
Dude,
Want
No.
your stick?
how
Oh,
big
wait.
do you want this stick?
Biggest. I want the biggest one.
Have a big stick, Sam.
Boomy.
I'm gonna put the...
You're gonna do what?
I
What?
said I wanted to put the big stick in my mouth, Mom. That was kind of weird.
Watch where you put those.
Alright.
Ray William
Isn't
Johnson
my garlic sauce?
made an
Is
oops
my
to
garlic
that.
sauce fine? Can I put
I
it
love Ray William Johnson.
Ray William Johnson sucks. Just like you. Like, guys, he has a Dreamcast, but he doesn't have Sonic Adventure 2.
I have Sonic Adventure.
there? That was
Because I burned it.
disgusting. Holy crap.
What?
I dipped this in.
My little sister dipped lobster in a smoothie once.
That's disgusting.
I like how Chance and Dylan are just downstairs playing Smash.
I don't like them touching my Switch. They're dirty.
Yeah, they are.
Oh my god, Dylan's had pizza. That means his hands are fucking greasy. On my controller.
Don't think about it.
It pains me.
You pain me. Oh, dude, PewDiePie plays Roblox?
Whoa.
Dang.
He's the best.
Oh, dude, PewDiePie. Oh, Dan TDM. That's where it's at right there, that Minecrafter.
And this is how YouTube works. You just sit there and let the money roll in.
Basically.
Isn't that right, people on YouTube? You wouldn't know you guys are poor. I wouldn't know I'm poor.
Hey, Sam, get over here. Get over here. You know what I want to do.
Oh, here we go.
Someone's
Fuck 'em.
shirt needs to be ripped.
No, I like this shirt.
Eat it. Crunch.
Crunch.
That'll hurt my teeth.
Give it a crunch.
Hey guys.
Hey, do you
like
guys
the
want to
minutes-
play a Dreamcast game?
I want to play like Perfect Dark or the GameCube.
Do you want to verse me? We can record that.
And what?
Record yourself beating Dylan
Dude,
at
we,
Perfect Dark.
we can record some Melee. It's fine. I'm a legend at flossing. I know how to do this.
Hey, I'm not seeing enough movement, people. I want to see some movement
I want 1 million people.
to floss.
In Times Square. Thanks, Ninja. I want to be meme shot.
I like how you're just not even playing Roblox at this point.
You haven't done anything.
Yeah, just full camera, full cam it, full cam it,
shut
James.
up?
Full cam it. Come on, James.
Stop. Alright, hold on.
Listen, I'm moving too fast.
Now they can't see you.
Wow, James, that's so cool.
Hold on.
Now there's
Hold
no
on.
video.
Hold on.
This is why your channel is garbage. No.
Come on.
No!
We're gonna play a game.
Just chase me. No! I'll boom whack you. He has the high ground.
Okay, here you
No!
Be my shield, be my shield.
Wait, the camera hasn't been on for all of this. How do you work OBS?
Stop.
Wait.
Get off. We're gonna play a game.
Turn on the cam.
Hold on. Hey, can you cough in my ear?
Dude, am I bleeding?
I hope.
I'm bleeding from
Let's
my
play
wrist,
GameCube.
James.
Or Melee on GameCube.
What are you doing? Stop.
Let's get in here.
No, do not hit me.
I won't participate.
This is the waiting music for everyone who can't see the video right now. Got any song requests?
Fortnite.
Okay.
Where's James? James. Need to bought you an Amazon card, just getting received in my email.
Okay.
And Papa was on his way with another Tex-Mex thing.
It's not working.
Dip.
Huh, Mom?
Papa was on the way with another Tex-Mex dip.
Dude, I need a chair like this. It's so good. Alright. Hey, Sam. Power on!
Put the controller on real quick.
I thought we were gonna play.
Hold on. We're gonna play it, but we're not playing that.
Why?
Yet. I said yet.
Yet, Jacob. Yet.
Stop. Stop it, James. Stop. 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 Do you want me to control you too? Ow.
No. No. Oh.
Stop.
Oh.
No, I've lost control.
You turn the camera on.
Hold on, guys.
Turn the
Stop.
camera on.
Stop.
Cease, heathen. Hey, with your money, you should get Smash Bros. Smashy Bros.
I hope he stops touching this so he doesn't break it.
Sam!
Wait.
Put it up.
Put it up? Why?
Because James said to, and you're hitting it on things, and you're gonna break them. Those are
I'm not gonna break them.
Yeah, you are.
You're gonna break them.
Dang it.
Wow, James, is that you?
Yeah.
You look so cool, James.
I want to be Ninja.
What is that?
Hop on down to Fortnite
Oh, he's
Town.
playing He's playing Perfect Dark.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna say he's playing Fortnite.
Yeah, just a second.
Hey, James, you like playing that Fortnite?
I never played this game. I don't know how to play
Alright, sit on the bed.
Is it a
over
versus
here.
game?
Yeah. Alright. Hold on, I have to set it up because it's really annoying.
Do you even have face cam on?
Like this or like this?
Hold on.
Is face cam even on, James? I don't think face
No.
cam's on.
And do you want face cam
Yeah,
on?
I want face cam on, James.
I
People
want
need to
audio.
see our beautiful faces.
Hold on. Audio is more important.
No, face cam.
Shut up. son.
Audio is the most important.
No, if they can see our faces, they don't even know what we're saying. What is that? What is that?
A bomb.
Oh, it's the makeshift speaker.
Yeah. It works.
Oh, you got it to work?
Yeah.
Oh wait, yeah, it worked before. I remember it was really loud.
No, it was really
Wait, no,
quiet.
that was the PA thing.
But now I combined it with the PA thing. Wow, this is such great content. I'm so glad they
Are you actually basic? Chungus. Big Chungus.
You're not funny.
I know. It's like Big Chungus, you know?
How's it not? Oh. No, stop.
I switched
No.
controllers.
Alright.
Ah! Ah! Hey Malachi, I love you.
Hey, dude. Hey, dude!
Ah! Hey, my mom says
I know,
she
she
loves
said
you. I want to hug too, Malachi.
She's pulled up in my yard. Yeah.
Malachi, I want to hug too.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thanks, buddy.
Ah!
Oh no, I gotta see.
You want part?
Alright, go get her, buddy. Dude, I'm so freaking tired.
I don't
No,
know what my
don't steal my
mom's doing.
controller.
Apparently my mom has driven her car into your yard.
I'm playing Perfect Dark.
Okay.
That's
Dude,
cool.
she's parked in your yard.
This is fine.
Man, I wish we had
start
face
game.
cams
Hit start game.
to see this hilarious banter that's going on.
Alright, you don't know how to play, so this is like perfect, and I actually do.
It's perfect and dark.
God, I hate you.
Woman missing since you got lost.
I know how to switch guns, so
I don't know how to do anything. What are you playing?
perfect dart
Looks like fun.
on the stream.
Say
Yeah.
you want to see
You
it.
see where they were giving people
Is she coming up
Subnautica
here?
for free?
Huh?
You see where they were giving people Subnautica for free?
I got it on PC, and I got a
Me too.
thing where I can use VR. Alright, hold on. You can figure out how to walk around.
Like $70 at Jimmy's.
Oh my god, I just bought like 3 shirts at Timmy's the other day. Which kills me.
They're expensive. That's why.
They have really cool stuff.
But I don't
I
know, man.
bought Bub a Teddy
I like
Fresh shirt
local
from
skate
there.
shops better, but they were like. I don't think I'll ever buy a Santa Cruz skateboard again.
Like when we're streaming and we're just like,
They're
no one can see
garbage.
what's happening.
Like I
and it's
bought.
like a
Okay.
random
The only
noises.
thing I've really ever had has been
This is
burnout.
why your
because
channel
I
is
always
trash.
just get them out.
This is
of
why
hand. I don't
you're
have any
trash.
weapons.
I hate you.
This is
Pick
why
up a weapon!
And
Or
so,
find one.
I
normally
picked
what I
up
do
like
is
5.
This time I was like, yeah, let's get a
I want to tell you something
Santa
here.
Cruz board because I don't own those. Yeah, so it fell apart. Like the board started chipping within like 3 weeks. Yeah, like it's not good.
Happy
They're
birthday,
garbage
man.
now.
Happy
Well, I like that
birthday,
shirt.
thanks.
Me too.
You want to see mine? I got my shirt.
Gosh, eater.
Certainly my mom.
Where are you? I want to kill you.
That's fun, James. I'm gonna kill Jacob, who people probably don't even know is playing because there's no face cam.
Ah!
I'm just gonna complain about the face cam this entire stream.
Yeah. All right, this is how you aim, and then you can move it around, and you switch weapons by holding this, and then you can pick which one.
Wow, this is awful. This is my favorite way to play pool.
It's really easy, and you suck, so you should die.
They're inverted.
Yeah? Get used to it, punk.
You guys want me to play some copyrighted music so James can take it down?
Are you shooting me?
Did
Yeah.
I hit you at all?
I don't know.
I thought you said that you would beat Villain Dandy at Perfect Dark.
I will.
Just scroll in Reddit. With no face cam. Yeah, guys, I wish we had a face cam. Face cam would be so nice. We should get a face
God,
cam.
it is inverted. That's annoying.
Hey, James, don't you wish there was a face cam? I kinda wish there was a face cam, James. Hey, James, you want a face cam?
Oh, I'm out of ammo.
God, I keep forgetting that the controls are in.
Yeah, I got Subnautica too. That's why I was asking.
Yeah, I love it. Like,
It's
I have it
pretty
on
awesome.
PC and on console.
It's probably one of the most fun games I've ever played. You find any landmasses yet?
Yeah, I already know where all of them are. You know they're making a DLC and giving away the beta for free.
No, I didn't know that. When's that happening?
Whenever they get it ready for preview.
Oh, you're talking about Sub-Zero, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wait,
I saw that. I did see that. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, dude, I've only found like one landmass so far.
I'll show you.
I don't play it often enough.
Hey guys,
Where's
you read-
your sister?
Hey guys,
Now
you
I
been-
got it.
Oh, I just bamboozled you fool.
Hey guys, you been reading like any books lately?
No, we don't
Yeah.
read books.
I was hanging out. I saw
I have to read
Taylor
the
the
book.
other day.
It's called
Taylor and
Mein
Larry,
Kampf.
and they did like this weird thing. I don't even know what it is.
Mein Kampf is my
I've been
favorite
hiding
book,
under a rock
guys.
for the past year. I've been hiding under a rock for the past year. Of course, don't.
King lived by
You better not leave me alone for too long. I'll find his record.
Oh yeah, he probably nerfed him. What the crap? I don't know how to control this. This is bad. This is bad.
I was almost dead and you still
You guys playing
died.
Doom?
Perfect Dark.
Oh.
It's not good.
Yeah, it is. It's great.
It's just the N64 controller is trash garbage.
Yeah, it is. They remade this on Xbox. I bet you it's way better.
Because the Xbox controller is slightly less trash garbage.
No, it's the best controller that they've made in a while. PlayStation being like one of the worst.
Yeah, I will admit sometimes like the joysticks on the PlayStation controller.
Well, I found a lot of ammo, but I kept finding guns.
Well, thanks for interrupting me.
Yeah, it's stupid.
We're playing. We can talk all we want.
PS4 controllers feel kind of weird sometimes.
This feels like bad Quake.
This
I mean,
one's-
it is on the N64, so.
Hey James, where's your cousin
Show
who
him
films
to
Street
death.
Boys?
He's coming.
Been
Alright,
fired.
hold on. Hold on. Come here. Come here.
Hitler did nothing wrong, okay? Hey James, name 5 things Hitler did wrong. You can't. He did nothing wrong.
Here. Hey,
Killed
you want me to
a
name
million,
Hitler's biggest mistake?
more than a
for
million
you?
Jews.
Are you on a megal?
Stop
What?
it.
I'm not.
Hitler's biggest
Reddit.
mistake was not killing the entire human race.
No,
Oh,
Hitler
wait.
was
He only
only
killed a
Hitler-
certain group of people. He
Hitler
should have been
didn't do
focusing
anything
on the
wrong.
whole human race.
Oh my
Hitler
god,
didn't do anything
God.
wrong. Hitler didn't do
I mean, then he
anything
couldn't be
wrong.
called a
The
racist.
Nazis did.
Exactly.
Just kill everyone but the
What
Aryans.
is this? How do you even shoot?
Except they're
This.
still racist, I guess, against everyone else.
Why
I
is there
think
a
he
button
should have killed
there?
everyone, including himself.
Huh?
Alright, then.
Why would there be a button there? I don't have a gun, I can just punch.
Well, watch out, I'm gonna give
You
you a final
have to
smash.
pick one up off
bomb?
the ground and then you hold
Do
this.
you have a... No, I'm just kidding.
No, it's a mouthpiece.
I know, I saw it. I know what it is.
What happened to all the Japanese candy? Did you just throw it away?
Do you
How do
not? Do
Yeah.
you not throw through a mouthpiece?
Well,
let me
Just
see.
shadow boxing.
I can't do the metal one.
Did you?
Dude.
It's not that
You ruined
hard.
the stream.
Hey, we're in the stream.
Don't unplug myself.
You ruined the
I
stream.
can't do
Jacob.
it, Jake. I'll put my.
I mean, the
controller
stream is
on.
already ruined, but you ruined it.
I
even
can't
more,
do it,
Jacob.
James. I don't know how you do that.
Well,
I
I
didn't
can't do it
touch
through the
that.
plastic one.
Yeah,
I
you
just
did.
put the
Yeah, you
controller.
did.
I didn't
Yeah,
do
it's
anything.
all Jacob's
There.
fault, everybody.
See, I
Always.
can't play the actual game because the RAM expander isn't in there.
Yeah, the RAM expander, Jacob.
Yeah. You what?
The dedicated way. The way.
I know what the
No,
RAM
RAM
expander is. I
expander.
have one. I play Majora's Mask.
You should give it to me.
Someone. I'm up. This
Alright, go
game
get
sucks.
Dylan, baby.
Dylan, baby.
All I have to do is beat.
I want to play Melee. Dylan, baby.
It's gonna be a little bit,
Alright.
if you don't mind.
Oh, what's some stimulants? Oh wait, this is stimulants.
So there's an Xbox 360, a PS4. It's the same,
It's
a
Dreamcast.
PS2,
Someone's
I'm guessing.
I forgot that we were like, you know,
There's an N64 behind the Sega. No, behind the PS2. There's an N64.
Hello, little boy / girl person.
Why do you have like? You have like everything. that
No,
I've ever
I
wanted.
still have a lot
That
more I
I've
need to
ever
get.
wanted.
Yeah, what stuff do you have for the
Everything
NES?
that I've ever wanted.
It's all put up in a box under my bed, and I don't feel like getting it right now.
What do you have though?
Games.
Do you have ice hockey?
Games.
Do you have ice hockey?
You want to play games?
Do you have ice hockey?
No, I want to play you in Melee.
Do you have ice hockey?
Yeah, James. I'm gonna steal one of these.
No, do you actually want to play this?
This isn't gay.
Sure, why not?
Yeah, no
Boom
homo.
whackers.
No homo.
No homo.
Boom whackers?
Ow.
That's the opposite of homo.
Alright, guys,
Yeah,
this stream's
yeah, fucking
ending.
South America.
Hope you guys had a wonderful time. If you did, hit that like button.
You're not cool.